Okay, another quick video. We're going to install our air vent filter to prevent debris and leaves and other bits and pieces going into your AC system. It's a pretty simple piece. Looks just like this, with the 3M tape running around the edge to put it in place. So the first thing we need to do is remove this piece of plastic. So just get a firmish grip and it just pops right off. Very, very easy. You can see the clips on the back. These are designed to be popped off, so very easy to do. And then we're going to dry fit this first, just to get a feel for it. You can see where that goes. Just goes in there, prevents leaves and so on getting down there. Since this is kind of all a bit dusty and gunked up, I'm going to give that a quick clean, just to make sure the adhesive sticks okay. Just kind of work around the edges. And the reason we're doing this, and the reason why we're selling these, is that on this Model 3, which is our older one, the AC system gets pretty stinky. And each time I kind of take it out to replace the filters, there's usually leaves or something down there, which would typically be dry, but because the condensation accumulates down there, they start to rot a little bit as well. So this just makes sure there's no issues. And if you actually, if I just move this camera for a second, but if you look down there, maybe you can see there's a bit of debris there as well. So this just helps take care of that. Let's put you back. Okay, so now we're going to peel off the tape. You can hear the wind noise, sorry about that. It's a windy day in Dallas. Okay, so we already did the dry fit, we know how it fits. So we're going to start at this end, kind of tuck that in there, and then just shimmy it all the way down, press it into place, and that's it, that's all you need to do. And then we're going to get the cover again, line that back up, use the filler cap as your reference point, and then just, there we go, snap it back into place. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.